Hi guys! Today I have 12 Pro, and I am going to remove 1x camera dot from this phone. Let's start to repair. Cover the other lenses with protective tape. Separate 1x camera. Use 150 heat and 30 air. You need to remove glue from the sides. Push from this side very gently. So 1x camera is out. Remove this shield very carefully. Separate camera lens dowel from camera board. Cleaning dust from glass. After cleaning, put lens dowel back to camera board. Solder these all point carefully. Let's test the camera. It's done. If you like the video, then do subscribe, do like, and share this video with your friends.